talk about ramps. So curb ramps, and we're talking about in the public right of way. This is a typical curb ramp that we're used to seeing with side flares no more than 10%, running slope of 8.33 max, 4-foot wide curb ramp. The detectable warnings are required in the public right of way. They are in the PROWAG at
Yeah.
signalized intersections, if I remember right.
Yep, where there's stop and yield controls
Okay.
are required. So like if there's a residential driveway doesn't have stop or yield control, there's no detectable warning required there. But a driveway coming out of Target or Walmart, some sort of control, then
Yeah, I always think when it comes to just standard ADA and truncated domes, it's like dealing with transportation or signalized intersections, you're pretty much looking at truncated domes required. Blended transition right here, less than 5% is what's required. So that's not a full-on curb ramp. That's only a 5% slope, very small slope. They got a lot of truncated domes there, which can be a barrier to some. And then you have abrupt edges. Here's some lifting and heaving in the pedestrian access route. And so we got to come in there and fix those and grind or replace or whatever. That's a barrier. So that should be on the city or county's to-do list.